Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 8, leçon Q. In this short lesson, we'll see together sentences that will be structured with two pronouns in a negative imperative form. It can be quite challenging, so keep in mind that in all the cases for these 5 sentences that we'll see, we will have all the time the pronoun le, okay, with another pronoun, obviously. Okay, so we can start right now. Don't say it to me. Ne me le dis pas. Ne me le dis pas. Ne me le dis pas. Don't say it to him. Ne le lui dis pas. Ne le lui dis pas. Ne le lui dis pas. Don't say it to us. Ne nous le dis pas. Ne nous le dis pas. Ne nous le dis pas. Don't say it to them. Ne le leur dis pas. Ne le leur dis pas. Ne le leur dis pas. So before letting you go, keep in mind that it's always possible to find more videos on the YouTube channel, and it's youtube.com/imagier. So you can subscribe and definitely you can like the videos. It would be so great. Thank you very much in advance. If you want more content and if you want all the videos, all the audios, all the things that I've been producing so far, the platform is frenchforme.net. Okay, and then if you are only interested in audio or PDF for the lessons, then it's another place, and it's frenchforus.net. And last but not least, if you need to go faster, if you want some Skype lessons, it's possible. Let's try to find a convenient time for you and for me. And so just send me something through frenchforyou.net. Well, that's it. Thank you very much. Au revoir et à bientôt.